Hi guys, welcome back. This is Kim from Loving to Shop. Hope everyone is doing well. I'm just here to do a video on an item that I've had in my collection since 2019, and it is a travel item from LV, and it is the Nice BB. I did a video back when I first received this item, and my initial reason for purchasing the Nice BB at that time was to convert it into a handbag. Now I have used it as a handbag on a few occasions. I will post some pictures so you can see right here. But over the years I have realized that it doesn't really work great as a handbag. If you want to use it as a handbag, by all means you can convert it and you can change it up in various ways to your liking. Perfect for me as a travel essential bag. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, I would love for you to stick around and let's get started. So here is my Nice BB, and it's stuff. I put some stuff in it so you can get an idea as to what can actually fit inside of this beautiful item. I'm gonna go through everything. Like I said, I initially purchased this to use as a handbag. I purchased a coat strap to go with it, a gold chain strap for $30. I purchased the scarf to wrap around the top, and I did use it as a handbag for a few times, but not a lot. But I'm just here to show what can actually fit in this beautiful toiletry pouch. Emptied out the Nice BB so you can see the actual inside. It still is in amazing condition. The only issue I really have is the way it's slouched at the top, but I'm okay with that. The bottom looks amazing. All is well with this item. So I just took a couple of my things out to give you an idea of what you could actually fit in this toiletry pouch. If you're going on a road trip, obviously if you're flying, you have to make sure the things that you're carrying inside of this item, if you're not checking your bag, meets the TSA requirement. I don't want to get into that, but let's just assume that this is going to be in my carry-on. And to be honest with you, I don't carry this in my carry-on because it takes up a lot of space in my carry-on. I do not put this in my checked luggage. When I travel with my Nice BB, I keep this in my tote bag. So it's always close to me because I also put sometimes my jewelry in here, and I like to keep everything with me. But for the purpose of this video, I just want to show you what can actually fit inside of this beautiful travel item. Of course, we need our face toner. That can go in here with no problem, sideways. Ointment. I love this ointment because I have eczema, extremely dry skin. That can go in here with no problem. Mouthwash, go in there with no problem. Ultra Face Moisturizer from Kiehl's. My deodorant, we need that. Also carry my Rare Earth Deep Pores cleaning mask, a must have everywhere I go. My Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. I always take this with me. Lysol. Always carry Lysol with me wherever I go. Tylenol. Extra strength in case you get a headache. What else we carry? Carry some floss because we need that. Hair ties, if you want to put your hair up in a ponytail, you also need that as well. Bliss stacks, you need our bliss stacks. My makeup, I put it and a little pouch here. I don't wear a lot of makeup. I usually just wear my tinted moisturizer. If I have lipstick in here, I have blush in here, I have my mascara in here, I have tweezers, a pair of tweezers, I have my eyebrow gel, a nail file, a few makeup brushes, and that's it. So I keep this in here and I put it on top of here so it's not like scattered all over the place. Obviously we need the toothbrush, so my toothbrush fits at the top with no problem. We need body cream, and I always bring Q-tips wherever I go. We also need our comb, but honestly with my comb, I usually keep my comb like in a pouch because I don't want to like sit it on top of here. So my comb and my hairbrush, it can fit in here with no problem, but I usually try to keep this in a separate like thing off to itself so it's not touching other stuff. And then, you know, you need some perfume. You want to bring some light scents with you. And last but certainly not least, which I will probably take a few of these out and put in a Ziploc bag, I need my cotton pad, so when I'm applying my toner, things like that, I have these with me. I wouldn't necessarily take this whole thing. I would just take 2 for each day, 1 for the day, 1 for the night, put it in a Ziploc bag and sit it on top of here. And all of this would be able to fit in here with no problem. So if you're going on a road trip and you want to carry all your items, it can definitely fit in the Nice BB, and you can carry it and sit it in the back of the car with no problem. If you're flying, you can definitely put all your essentials, everything that you need inside of here. Just make sure you follow the TSA rules in regards to how many ounces each item can be. Because like I said before, for me, when I'm flying, I do not put this in my carry-on because it's too bulky and it takes up a lot of space inside of my carry-on. If I'm on vacation and if I decide to wear this as a handbag when I arrive to my location, obviously I would just take everything out of this travel item and I would just add my strap to it. And I always take my LV little twilly scarf bandeau and put it to the top, and then I can convert it to a handbag. But over the years, I think I may have worn this as a handbag 5 times, but I use it on every trip. Every trip that I go on, I take this with me because it can pack a punch. It holds more than you think. And I just want to go over the prices. I purchased this in 2019. Well, I received this as a gift in 2019. At the time, this retailed for $900. At this time, the price is currently $1,290. The Nice NANO retails for $1,000, and the Nice Mini retails for $1,150. There are some other travel items that LV currently have that I'm currently interested in. I will post pictures up here because I think they would be better suited for my luggage as opposed to me carrying this inside of my handbag. So that's a whole nother video. The length is 9.4 inches, the height is 6.7 inches, and the width is 5.1 inches. So I will put that up here. So this is the size of this beautiful travel item that I think would be perfect if you're going on road trips, if you're flying. But just to be honest with you, if you're flying, I do not think this is an item that you will want to put in your luggage, or if you want to put it in your carry-on, because it takes up so much space. So for me personally, when I'm flying, I put this in my handbag, and that's it, with my wallet, and I'm good to go. This is Kimberly from Loving to Shop. I know this video is kind of all over the place, but I just wanted to be open and honest. Thank you for stopping by. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would absolutely love for you to do so. Always remember to be good to yourself, but most of all, be good to others. Bye. Bye.